Did you know that a gas-powered furnace has a lifespan of more than 20 years? An electric furnace can run for much longer. This makes investing in a furnace for space heating in the home sound like a real bargain. The initial installation costs will be almost insignificant compared to the benefits you will enjoy for many years. There is just one catch: maintenance. You can't expect the furnace to continue functioning at its optimum through the years without giving it a second thought. Furnaces are complex pieces of equipment. You should, therefore, get in touch with a heating repair company in your area and agree on a maintenance schedule. Many people avoid investing in maintenance. They wait for their furnaces to break down or exhibit a problem before they get in touch with a furnace repair technician. Maintenance will help to prevent expensive repairs. Annual checks will result in a reduced need for repair. You will, therefore, spend less on the total care of your furnace. Maintenance also involves tune-up. The technician will make adjustments that need to be made and clean any parts of the furnace that need to be cleaned or unclogged. Maintenance also saves you money on your energy bills. Running a furnace can consume a lot of energy, especially when it is overcompensating for one issue or another. If you want to have maintenance on your heating furnace repair, call KC's Plumbing and Heating. Our office number 604-873-3753.